I am very excited about today's video. Hello everyone, how are you doing? It's another decluttering day for me here in my room. I'm going to declutter my shoes today. This has been a long time coming. Ever since I did my clothing decluttering video, I've been very excited to film the next one and to just do more decluttering. The next thing I wanted to do was my shoe collection. I haven't got that many shoes. It's not a crazy amount, I think, compared to what I've seen on the internet, but it's too many for me. I don't wear all of these shoes, so I would really like to do some decluttering, and I'm very excited. As I said, I think in my clothing decluttering video, I love decluttering. I love sorting things out. I love getting rid of things that I don't need, but also I do struggle with it because I have an attachment to a lot of inanimate objects for various reasons. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to tackle my shoes. I kind of want to have just 4 pairs of shoes, but I feel like I might not be able to do that. How many have I got now? 16 shoes, 2 slippers, so like 18. That's how many I've got, and I want to whittle it down to 4, not including slippers. If it includes slippers, it'll have to be 6. That is the goal. I really don't wear many shoes. I wear the same pair of shoes, dabble in some other pairs. So I don't really need all of these. Need to get rid of some. I have bags ready to put them into. Let's get decluttering. There are 4 categories of types of shoe. Trainers, sandals, boots, and slippers right at the back down the bottom there. So I think the easiest place for me to start would be in trainers. So, would it though? Trainers? That seems like as good a place as any. I will go with the easiest thing to declutter. This pair of trainers. These are from River Island. They are kind of like Vans style, kind of Converse-y style, I guess more Vans style. And I got these before I had those. I think I wanted those. I saw these and was like, those are pretty similar. They're much cheaper, I'll buy those. They've got like holy detail all around the shoe, and I think that's something that I'm not so keen on anymore. Let me show you with one shoe. They're so dirty, I don't want to put my hand in there. Can you see my fingers through the holes on the ankle, on this bit, on the toe? The rest is like a shiny material, and I never wear them anymore. These are gonna go to a new home, I think, so that's where they will go. Let's get a bag. First pair decided. Oh, I've just realised there's a pair of shoes that I have that isn't here. It's right here. Oh, how could I forget? They were right next to me. These are my workout trainers. Got these on Amazon. They're really light and really cheap. Just with a white sole, black upper, laces, simple. I wear these all the time, so I'm going to be keeping these, and I'm going to put them back over here. They just blend in so well with where I keep them. Oh God, how come I can't balance them anymore? Okay. That'll do. Speaking of workout shoes, this is what reminded me that I had those. I've got these Nikes. Nike trainers, what are they? Nike Air. Ugh, little bit dirty. And they're a bit discoloured on the top now too. I think I got these on eBay, second hand. I wanted to be like all the cool kids and have some Nike shoes. They're grey, white, blue and orange. I think I bought them for working out. But then I found that the soles don't really bend enough for me, and so the heel would always slip off of my heel, which was very annoying, so I kind of stopped wearing them. There's a little bit of blood on these, so I don't think I'm going to be able to sell them or give them to charity because they've got my blood on them, and nobody wants shoes with somebody else's blood on them. I think I'm going to have to put these into textiles recycling. I don't know. But anyway, the point is, these are a no. Thank you for teaching me a lesson about how stiff the soles of shoes can be. Into the bag they go. Thank you, shoes. I didn't thank the other shoes. In between the last decluttering video and this decluttering video, I have started watching the Marie Kondo series on Netflix, so I'm gonna thank everything. 2 pairs down. Let's go with the Converse. They are quite discoloured now, even though I really like the look of Converse. I just don't think I'm gonna wear them because I haven't been wearing them, and I've been doing just fine without them. Because I don't wear them, these are a no. Next pair of trainers, my Vans. Now I think I bought these because I wanted Vans, but really what I wanted were the double-soled version of these Vans. These are just like black with suede. Ooh, I've just noticed that that's really discoloured. With white soles. Oh, my arm is getting tired. But again, I have ended up just not wearing these. I usually only wear trainers when I'm driving, and I wear these trainers here because you can slip them on really easily. So I just don't wear these. I just don't wear them. I'm going to say no to these. Thank you very much for your time. That's basically a full bag of shoes to get rid of. So the last two pairs of trainers are my other Nikes, which are very discoloured, kind of really gross looking, but these are the shoes that I use for driving all the time because I don't really want to drive in my big boots. And what are they? Nike? I don't know what style these are, they're just Nikes. I got these on eBay as well. They came without an insole, so I had to put in my own insole. Oh God, looking at these now, they are so dirty and worn, but I'm keeping these because they're just my slip-on and go shoes. They can go there. And then the last pair of trainers that I have are these platform ones from Primark that, as you can probably tell, are very new because they're so clean. The bottom's not so much, a little bit dirty. They've got a big platform, but otherwise they are just plain white trainers. And I do like these. They're very comfortable. They don't make me feel too tall, which is something I don't like about platforms and high heels. I definitely bought these following the trend of platform trainers. I mean, yes, I got suckered in, but I did love platform trainers when I was a child. Do I want to keep these? I do like them, but I have found that after a few weeks of owning them, my amount of wearing them slowed down, if that makes sense. I think I'll keep these for now, but when I do future declutterings of my shoes, because they probably will happen, I'll see how much I've worn them at that point and reconsider. But yeah, these are really cool. I like these. Okay. So those are my two pairs of trainers. I think the next easiest category would be sandals, because I do not wear sandals. In the summer, when it's hot, normal people would wear sandals, but I usually tend to go with two options. Either I wear big boots like I do the rest of the year, spring, autumn and winter, or I wear slippers and stay indoors. I don't handle heat very well, but that doesn't stop me from wearing boots. I just love boots, okay? So I think having sandals doesn't really make sense. I'll start with the very easiest pair. These ones are a very old pair. They are the brand, what does that say? Betula. Betula? Betula. Oh, licensed by Birkenstock. So these are just plain little sandals. They have very minimal foot coverage, just a white little band with a buckle, and I've had these for so many years. I guess my feet have stopped growing. They have been on many holidays with me, but I don't wear them now. Just, these aren't my style at all anymore. They expose too much of my feet for my liking. As I said, I love wearing boots, so these are the complete opposite of boots. So yeah, I think it's time to let these ones go. Look how deep that foot bit is. These have walked on the roads of Spain. Have I taken these to Spain? And Greece. I think they've been to Greece. Oh, thank you for the wonderful memories, sandals. You will go in the bag. There we go. First pair of sandals. Then I have two more pairs. These black ones. If you're a long-time viewer of my channel, you will have seen these. I put them in a haul, a Primark summer haul, I think. I do really like these, but as you can see, I've never worn them. They still have the tag. They were £8. They're like strappy gladiator sandals. How long ago did I film that video? It was at least 2 years ago. And I've obviously never worn them outside, so I think it's safe to say I probably shouldn't keep them. You've taught me a lesson, sandals, that I don't wear sandals. Thank you. So somebody will love those, I'm sure, because they're brand new. Never been worn, only tried on. The last pair of sandals are these fluffy ones. These are so cute and nice, and I like them a lot. If I wore things like this indoors as slippers, then I would probably keep these and use them as slippers, but I just don't. I don't wear things like this indoors. I have worn these out a few times during the summer, and I was just so self-conscious of my feet the whole time. I don't find it that easy to walk in these kind of shoes that just have the one strap across here. So although I think they are adorable, I don't wear them. So I think they're gonna go. Let's have one last look. Thank you for being beautiful, my fluffy sandal friends. The bag is now full. But I've got another bag, so don't worry. The only things left on the bottom shelf now are my slippers. These ones, which I've also put into a video. Definitely still use these all the time, so I'll be keeping those. And, oh God, I'm dreading showing you these. They're very old, very dirty and very broken. Yeah, these aren't gonna last much longer, but currently I do still use them all the time. There's big hair on it. There's another big hair on it. Ugh, I'm gonna put these down. I have two pairs of slippers because these ones fit big fluffy socks and these ones don't. So I need both. So currently we've made decisions on these two, and it's just all of these boots left to do. That's good. We've gotten through 3 categories. 1 category to go. These boots are pretty much the same. These are my old work shoes, my old work boots. So they have seen better days. They're just some black Chelsea boots. Where did I get them from? New Look. There is a hole forming there, I can see. These did me a great service back in the day. I have already made a decision on these because I bought these. They're basically the same shoe, and I bought those ones to replace these because they were getting so old. And then I stopped working where I was working and I didn't need work boots anymore. My point is, rambly, these ones have done their deed and it's time for them to go. Thank you very much, my lovely boots. The more difficult decision is these new boots. They're very beautiful, aren't they? Oh, Divided. These are from H&M. These are going to be a difficult decision for me because I love them, but currently I don't need any work boots, but I don't want to get rid of them in case I do need work boots one day. What do? I think my gut feeling is that I should keep them, so I guess I'll keep them. These will be my smart boots because I don't think I have any other smart shoes apart from these. Instead of going in order along the line, I'm going to do what's easiest for me to make decisions on. So, these are heavy. These are some rather old super dry boots, combat boots. I'm trying to make them listen to that sole. That is a hard sole. What are they made of? Kind of looks like it's made of wood. Is that a thing? Anyway, these boots are from Superdry. They're very, very old, and I think they are one size too big for me, actually. I used to wear these all the time. They used to be my go-to shoes. They have a thing. This bit can fold down like that. Yeah, and then it becomes a whole new boot. But I never did that when I wore them. I always wore them with this outer bit up, like that. I used to love these boots so much, but I think they have done their duty for me because I never wear them anymore. So I think these ones are going to go. I forgot I even had them. I only found them again recently and was like, oh yeah, forgot I had those. Thank you, my beautiful boots. You definitely did me well. Next thing that is easy to make a decision on are my Doc Martens. Big old boots. These are my Docs. They are tall. How many eyelets do they have? These have 14 eyelets. They're so heavy. Just black, normal Docs. I love these. I'm not getting rid of them because I love them. I wear them all the time. There's not much to say. I just know I'm keeping them so we can put these back in the wardrobe. Next ones along are even heavier. But oh my God, look at these beauties. These are Jeffrey Campbell's. They are the Lita style and they have skull studs all over them. Oh my God. I used to have a few pairs of wedges, heels and stuff, but the last time I did some decluttering of my shoes, I got rid of them all because I don't wear them now. The only pair that I kept, of course, were these beautiful heels. They are my only heels and I never wear them at the moment. I will wear them one day on a special occasion, I'm sure. So for now, I'm keeping them. Next pair of shoes, super easy, are my these aren't Doc Martens, my Harley Davidson boots. These are relatively new, I suppose, but I got them secondhand on eBay. But these boots are my go-to boots. They have seen better days, but I quite like that they look all scuffed up and stuff. They've got 2 zips. Oh, my arm. They're so heavy. When I'm not driving, these are the shoes that I wear all the time. So these are a definite keep. We have 1 pair of shoes to go. We have come to the last pair of shoes to make a decision on, and it's going to be a really difficult decision. It is my cat boots. These are a pair of cat boots. Work equipment. Goodyear welted construction. Extended wear rubber outsole. Why do they write that on the shoes? Oh my god, there's a digger on the side. How have I never noticed that before? Look how good these soles are. These are such good shoes. The only bit that's really showing much wear is this like band around here. It's all coming off there. But otherwise they're in such good condition and these are so comfortable. I do love these shoes, but I am finding that I never wear them. So I think I might have to let go of these. But maybe they should be a maybe. Oh god, the light. The sun's just gone in. I think it's getting darker. Come on, sun. Come on, sun. Come on, sun. Sun. Okay, annoyingly, the sun has gone. The sun has gone. Great. Thanks, sun. Thanks, sun. Where was I? I don't feel like I'm gonna grab for these shoes. They're not really sparking joy. You know, they might end up sitting in a bag for ages whilst I think about it, but I think I'm going to put them in the bag. Thank you, cat boots. Ta-da! Look at my bags. There's one. My arm is too tired to hold it up. And there's another one. Yay! We've got 6 pairs of shoes, 2 pairs of trainers, 1 smart pair of shoes, 1 pair of heels, and 2 pairs of boots, and 2 slippers, which I'm not counting in the final count. This has been a good decluttering session. That's that. I have done the decluttering. I would actually be so interested to know how many pairs of shoes you guys have. Let me know in the comments if you don't mind. How many pairs of shoes do you have in your collection? That's where I'm going to leave it. I hope you've enjoyed decluttering with me. I think the next decluttering video that I have planned is my Loot Crate Harry Potter items. I think it's time to sort them out to see which ones I actually want to keep in my collection. If you like decluttering videos, make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to be doing more. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope to see you again in the next one, and I will talk to you again very soon. Goodbye.